Welcome back to a new video, my human made and my YouTube family. I hope you all been enjoying the content that I've been releasing of late, because I've been enjoying making the content, editing the content, uploading the content, and chopping it up with you all about the content that I created. So thank you all for showing your support to me, and I'm just trying to give it back to you all like tenfold. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, drop a comment down below. I would greatly appreciate that. Also, hit me up on my Instagram at mattxi.exe. Feel free to DM me. I'll talk to you if you want to talk. I hope you all enjoyed my video from last week, because that was fun giving back to my bros. They really enjoyed the things that I gave them. But today's video is going to be about me unboxing what I had picked up from Human Made like about a week or two ago. So my package came in early this week, and I finally got a chance to do this unboxing. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright, so I got my box right here. So yeah, without further ado, let me crack this open and we're gonna get to this unboxing. Let's get it. Alright, so the first item that I picked up came in this little poly melly. I ain't gonna show you too much. Came in this little thing right here. And what's in here is, hopefully I can get it open. My damn fingers are fucking greasy as hell, so I just put on my beard moisturizer and shit, so my fingers are greasy and shit. It's slick. So anyway, what I picked up from Human Made from one of my accessory items would be this I guess this Lanyard keychain thingy majiggy. But yeah, I picked this up. I will be putting on, like, hooking this up to my key ring for my keys on it. So yeah, I picked this up. Cost me a few dollars, probably like $10 for this. I'm keeping this, but I'm thinking about buying maybe 2 more and do a giveaway. If y'all want this, let me know. I'll pick up 2 and I'll do a giveaway for the 2 that I get. We'll see where we go from there. But this is one of the items that I picked up from Human Made. This is gonna be a keeper. This ain't going nowhere. I hope they come out with some more of these. We'll look for some more graphics on it. But it said Gears for Futuristic Teenagers, which is dope. I finally figured out what Gears for Futuristic Teenagers mean. I was looking at a video from Nigo. What Gears for Futuristic Teenagers mean.
And the slogan that we see all around, and the store, I went to the Human Made store yesterday in Tokyo, Gears for Futuristic Teenagers. How did that come about?
まあ常にこうティーンエイジャーでいたいっていう自分の気持ちというか、それをこの言葉にしたという。
So in his mind, he want to have that, like, that youthfulness and have that young aesthetic about him. Just keep it young and fresh. So that's what Gears for Futuristic Teenagers mean. I was looking at like a little interview. It was just so dope just watching it. Dude's a fucking genius. I know that word get thrown out like so much, but dude is really a genius at what he do. And I can't do nothing but respect and commend Nigo for the things he's been doing for the past, 30 years in this clothing game. But anyway, next item that I picked up is an iPhone 11 case. I fucked up. I thought it said iPhone Pro 11 Max. That's a lot. That's a whole lot to say. But this is the case that I picked up. It just had the polar bear on it. And they had like 3 different variations of this. They have, of course, the black, white, and then they have a clear version of this case. And they also had the design of the duck on here too. They have a duck one. So, but I decided to pick up this, and it doesn't fit my phone, which sucks. I thought I was getting the right one, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna sell this on Grailed, make me a quick flip, make me a quick profit, so I can buy more Human Made stuff. Cause I already been selling stuff on Grailed that sold. Cause I got a package right here that I need to send out tomorrow. So I got a lot of stuff I've been like selling on Grailed from Human Made, and I'm just using that money to reinvest in my channel, you know, buy more Human Made stuff to sell and keep for myself. So I will be selling this, but if y'all are interested in buying this, hit me up with a price. I'll sell it to you. Again, don't hit me upside the head with like a stupid low price, because I'm just like, nah, it ain't gonna work for me, so I ain't gonna do it. So if it works for you and me, I'll sell it to you. So if y'all want this Human Made iPhone 11 Pro case, I got you. All right, so the last item that I'm gonna show is a tee. I think they may still have a few in stock or not, I don't know. But this is the tee that I picked up. So this is the tee that I copped. There it is right there. I got the dry-alls with the polar bear, and it says Human Made up under the polar bear with white print. So I wanted to get more black tees from Human Made because I didn't want to get too many white tees, and I don't want to stain. I don't know why, like when I wear t-shirts, it stains up on the armpits, and the whole t-shirt is like ruined if I'm wearing like a white tee. If y'all having like any cure like or remedies for that, let me know. But anyway, the print on this shirt is perfect. It's soft. It's not like one of those heavy plastisol prints where the print just like sits on top of the shirt and you can feel it when you move. It's not stiff, so you don't have to worry about that with Human Made shirts. And again, if you had wore Human Made before, you know the quality of these shirts. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all, until y'all buy your own Human Made shirts, you will not understand the quality of these shirts, on how soft they are and how comfortable they are, because I'm wearing it right now. I wore one last night. Like, they're soft, they have like a nice weight to it, but not too heavy. It's just right, they're breathable. Yeah, they're just one of my favorite, like the Human Made shirts, just perfect. And I just like what Nigo been doing with these shirts and the material that they've been using. I can't say anything bad about it. I really can't. I really can't find nothing bad to say about Human Made shirts. I got this in a 2XL, and I know like one of my subscribers wanted me to compare and contrast the extra large and 2XLs. That video still coming. Just give me time. Again, I want to do large, extra large, and double XL, because I want to show the actual difference between all three of those, because I'm pretty sure all my subscribers are in that range. So I just want to show you what you'll be getting yourself into before you buy a Human Made t-shirt. That video's still coming, so please be patient with me. I know just give me some time. I got you, bro. I think that will be it for the video. Nope, that is not it. I thought that was gonna be the end of the video, but it's not. I recorded 2 separate videos, so I decided to combine both of them into one. So here's the other half of the video that I was gonna drop the week after, but here y'all go, enjoy. And this first item, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it yet. I'm still debating on it. I may end up just selling it on Grailed and just calling it a day, because I wish, you'll find out more in a minute why I wanna resell it. But I really do like this item. It's fire though. All right, so the first item I picked up is this belt for Human Made. It's so fucking dope, man. Like, I really like this. It had like this matte finish on it. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah. So it had that matte finish on it. These are the kind of belts that I like because they're just easy to put on. You just fucking pull it through and then tighten it and boom, done. But there's more to that. It has a couple of graphics on it. On the front side, it says geared for futuristic teenagers. And on the inside, it has the tigers on there like lined up behind each other like the Human Centipede. We don't want to talk about that crazy ass movie. But I may just end up reselling this because I don't mind the colorway, but if they had it in black, like the belt in black and the print in white, I would keep this for my personal. But it's just like this sand army brown I'm just not feeling, and it would have been better if they just had it with a black belt with white print. But yeah, I'm just end up selling this. I'm gonna just sell it and just call it a day because I'm not gonna wear it how I want to. But I'll put this up on Grail, sell it, make me a quick flip, keep ordering more shit, and I really don't have to go in my pockets every time I order something from Human Made. So the second item, I told y'all this is gonna be quick, so yeah. So the second item is a t-shirt, bam. So this shirt, damn, why are some of these shirts called more than others? Doesn't make sense. But all right, so this t-shirt, it's this, what color is it? Okay, so this shirt is beige. I may end up reselling this one. So I got this shirt right here. It's a beige t-shirt with the Storm Cowboy logo in it. So yes, this is the Storm Cowboy. This, when you see this like face, Storm Cowboy. I still don't know what Storm Cowboy means. Still trying to figure it out. Of course, it says Human Made inside of Storm Cowboy. And on the back side of it, it just has the Human Made inside of the heart logo. And I got this in an XL, and I will be using this as a part of the video I think I may use this t-shirt to be a part of the video to compare and contrast the different sizing with the large, extra large, and 2XL. So I may use this t-shirt as a comparison with my other shirt. So yeah, this is the other shirt that I copped. I'm pretty sure I may end up keeping this. If I don't, I'm gonna resell it on Grailed, or if y'all want it, just hit me up. It's an XL. That's all I got so far. Like, this drop, like, they really didn't drop too much on this particular drop that I was interested in. So I just copped 2 things. I'm like, I'm pretty sure I can make a quick flip. And I bought the XL just for the size comparison video. So that's why I bought the XL t-shirt. But that's it for this video. I told you it's gonna be short, straight to the point. Again, like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. It takes less than 0.5 seconds to do. Follow me on IG at mattxi.exe. I'll chop it up with y'all on there. Just follow me. I'll be posting like just my day-to-day life and my stories and on my actual Instagram page. Catch y'all next video. Hopefully the pack that I'm expecting come in when I expect it to come in. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'll catch y'all later. Casual Mac out. Peace.